Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning about context filters. All filters in Tableau are independent of each other, but in order to have a connection or in order to achieve a relation between two filtered variable rather, context filters play an important role. So let's go ahead and check out our today's agenda. So today we'll be learning what are context filters, why they are used, so basically the benefits of context filters. We'll go ahead and create a context filter with a practical example. And last, we will see how to edit and remove the context filters. So what are context filters? Context filters helps us to identify how an event or a variable is behaving with another dependent variable. So dependent filters basically process only the data that passed through context filters. Context filters are always independent in nature. Let's go ahead and check out what are the benefits of why we are using context filters in Tableau. In order to increase performance and reduce the number of queries, or for example, if we have a huge data set, we can't go ahead and apply filters for each and every variable in order to get the ideal visualization. So in order to reduce the number of queries, we use context filters. It ultimately helps us to reduce the size of the data as well. It is also used to filter out the data which includes only the data of our interest. A top 15 filter of our choice. For example, in my dataset, I want top 5 best selling models of cars with respect to their manufacturing companies. So let's check out how context filters is built in Tableau with a practical example. But before proceeding, don't forget to check out my Tableau for Beginners tutorial video as it contains the link of this dataset which I will be using in this video. There are so many other datasets available for free other than the boring sample supermarket dataset. So yes, here is the dataset which I have found out only for you guys, so you can go ahead and check out all my videos and start practicing. Without any further ado, let's walk you through how context filters is created. For that, I'll just simply drag the selling price from the measures and the model from the dimensions. Let's just make this graph more presentable. Let's just filter out top 15 models based on their selling price. So yeah, I've just clicked the drop down arrow and filtered out this data. I'll just apply and OK. So these are the top 15 models based on their selling price. I want to check top 15 cars which are manufactured by Porsche company. Now what I'll do, I'll just drag this make column into this filter section. So as you can see, I have only less number of options available. So what I'll do is I'll just check on Porsche. I'll apply and I'll say OK. Now you must be wondering why this only one model is the output. Let me go ahead and explain you guys. For that, I'll just grab my Epic pen. As you can see, instead of top 15 models, the output consists of only one model. As I explained earlier also, filters behave individually. They are independent of each other. This model has derived from both these filters. So basically, it creates two sets. One is top 15 models and the other one is Porsche manufacturing company. So whatever the intersection will be there, the intersection of this both sets is the output. Now the output here is 911 model of Porsche. I hope you guys have cleared. Only one model was generated with help of these two basic filters. Now, in order to achieve top 15 Porsche filters, we will just undo this as of now. Let's close this. Yeah. So I'll just do one thing. I'll click on this Porsche drop down arrow. I'll click on add to contacts. Now you can see this make column has changed its color and the position has also been changed. But even if you try to reposition it, it's not going to change its position. Now you'll be arising one more question that Porsche has still not given us 15 models because Porsche only has these many models manufactured. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically there are 10 models which were manufactured by Porsche. Hope you guys got this concept of context filters. Let's go ahead and see how to edit context filters. So it's very easy. Just click on the same drop down arrow, edit filter. Let's go ahead and check for Ford manufacturing company rather than Porsche. Just untick, apply and say OK. So yes, Ford is giving us all the 15 models which they are manufacturing based on the sum of sales price. So this is how editing of context filter works. Just let's go ahead and check how to remove context filters. Now the same way, we need to click on the drop down arrow, select the option remove from contacts, and here you go. Now this contact filters will behave as a regular filter. You can just reposition it as well. As I discussed earlier, with the help of Venn diagrams, these are the common outputs of these two filters. That was all about context filters. Hope you like this video and I hope that I have cleared all your doubts about context filters. So go ahead, like, share and comment below. I will love to hear from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon as I will be coming with more videos like LOD, how to handle null values and a special video which will be based upon all the filters in Tableau. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.